Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming access and permissions. Open Teams or the browser and sign in. Once done, check camera and microphone in device settings, then run a quick test call in Teams so audio levels are right. Make sure to join from the calendar invite or meeting link. When the pre-join screen appears, select camera and mic on or off and pick the correct speaker. This gets you into the meeting quickly and prevents early connection or privacy surprises. Once in the meeting, manage presence with quick controls. Mute when not speaking to reduce noise, toggle camera when you need to show something, and apply background blur or image for privacy. When presenting, click Share and choose Screen, Application Window, or PowerPoint. Enable system audio for videos so attendees hear sound. Also use chat for links and questions, reactions for brief feedback, and the participant's pane or raise hand feature to coordinate. To finish, stop any recording, share next steps in chat, then leave or end the meeting so resources free up. Once done, make sure recordings and files are saved to the meeting chat or channel and download notes or action items for follow-up. If something goes wrong, first try simple fixes. Restart the Teams app, confirm network connectivity, update to the latest version, or rejoin in the browser. If audio or video still fail, switch devices or test with another meeting to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.